皆さんこんにちは。Hi guys, I'm Haruka, who is making your Japanese learning easy. How is your Japanese learning going? The verbs conjugations are difficult. わかるわかる。Especially te form. だよね。Don't worry, I'm here for you. Today we are going to learn te form conjugations. Let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna start with ru verb. If you don't know what is ru verb or u verb, please go check my previous video about verbs conjugation. I'm gonna put link somewhere above here. As for ru verb, conjugation is quite simple. Firstly, you take a verb in a dictionary form. All you need to do is just erase ru at the end. Then you add te. Let's look at examples. 食べる will be 食べて。調べる will be 調べて。起きる becomes 起きて。See, it's easy, isn't it? Let's move on to the next. Secondly, that's u verb. U verb is a little bit complicated because there are so many patterns. But once you know the rule, that'll be easier. So let's do it. Like ru verb, you need to take the verb in a dictionary form. If the dictionary form ends with su, su changes to して. For example, 話す will be 話して。なくす will be なくして。探す will be 探して。Next, if the dictionary form ends with ku, ku changes to いて。For example, 歩く becomes 歩いて。泣く will be 泣いて。書く will be 書いて。今のところ大丈夫？ If the dictionary form ends with u, tsu, or ru, they change to te. I didn't say te, I said te. So there's small tsu plus te. Let's look at examples. 買う will be 買って。歌う will be 歌って。会う will be 会って。立つ becomes 立って。勝つ becomes 勝って。走る becomes 走って。踊る becomes 踊って。and 帰る becomes 帰って。大丈夫？ついてきてる？ If the dictionary form ends with nu, bu, or mu, they change to nde. Let's take a look at examples. 死ぬ becomes 死んで. This verb is the only one who ends with nu. 学ぶ becomes 学んで。結ぶ becomes 結んで。and 喜ぶ becomes 喜んで。読む will be 読んで。畳む will be 畳んで。飲む will be 飲んで。And the last one for u verb. If the verb ends with gu, gu changes to ide. For example, 泳ぐ will be 泳いで。嗅ぐ will be 嗅いで。漕ぐ will be 漕いで。う verb 終わり。Good job! じゃあ next one. In Japanese, we have 3 irregular verbs. Let's take a look at examples. する will be して。来る will be 来て。And ある will be あって。Alright, good job you guys! We covered everything. And bonus for you guys. Once you learn te form conjugations, the conjugation for ta form, which is casual past tense, is easier for you because all you need to do is just change te to ta. It applies to everything. やったねー！一石二鳥。Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you learned something, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Happy Japanese learning! またねー!